Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about fractions. Fractions can sometimes be a little complicated, but today we're going to make learning fractions easy and fun. In this video, I'm going to talk about what a fraction is and provide an example. A fraction is part of a whole. Usually, we see fractions displayed in quotient form. There are two parts that make up a fraction, a numerator and a denominator. The denominator shows the total number of parts that the whole has been split up into. The numerator shows how many of these parts have been taken. Think of a nice big cherry pie. Imagine if you took that cherry pie and split it up into 6 equal pieces. The 6 pieces will represent the denominator of the fraction. Now, what if you ate 2 slices of the pie? The 2 slices that you ate will be the numerator of the fraction. Putting it all together, you ate 2/6 of the cherry pie. If the numerator is equal to the denominator, then the fraction is equal to 1. This is because all the parts have been taken. Let me give you another example. This example is included in a product called Grade 3 Fractions Task Cards. The link to the full resource will be provided in the description of this video. In this example, it asks, which fraction tells the location of the house on the number line? It is important to understand how fractions work to solve this problem. If we count the spaces between the tick marks, starting from 0 to 1, we can see that there are 4 total spaces. The 4 will represent our denominator. Now we will count how many spaces it will take to reach the house. It only takes 1. This means that the 1 is in the numerator. Putting it all together, we have a fraction of 1/4, and that will be our answer. This shows that the fraction is at 1/4 on the number line. For more resources similar to this, there will be a link in the description of this video to access the full product by Literacy and Math Ideas.